Hello my friend, happy to see you here, and today we have a really interesting problem. So we have this question: 4 is what percent of 80? So we prefer a little bit different question. So what is 80% of 4? So in this way. But right here we have a completely different problem. 4 is what percent? So we need to find this percentage. Right here on the bottom we have a lot of options. So 5%, 7 and 3%. So right now I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Try to find your option. Try to check your math skill right here and try to solve it by yourself. And of course write your option in a comment, and after this video we will check our answer. Okay, we have this question: 4 is what percent of 80? What is the algorithm? How can we solve it? So first of all, this is our first step. Okay, in this step we make the assumption that 80 is our 100%. In this step we make this assumption that 80 is our 100%. Since is our output value, so we have 80 is our 100%. Okay, in the next step, in the second step, from this step 1 it follows then 100% equal to 80. So this is our, right now we have this equation in this second step. Okay, in the third step, in the same way, we will have that our x% will be equal to 4, because we need to find this percentage, we don't know it, and we need to find this percentage with this 4. So because 4 is what percent of 80, so we need to find this percentage. So x% equal to 4. Okay, in the fourth step, this gives us a pair of simple equations. So we have the first equation, 100% equal to 80. So this is our first equation. And we have the second equation, so x% from the step 3, x% equal to 4. So this is our second equation. Okay, the fifth step. I hope you understand this. This is about explanation, and right now we are going to solve this problem. In the fifth step, by simply dividing equation 1 by equation 2 and taking note of the fact that both on the left hand side of both equations have the same unit percent. So on the left hand side we have the same unit percent, so we will have that our 100% over x% equal to 80 over 4. So we have this expression right now. 100% over x% equal to 80 over 4. And taking the inverse or reciprocal of both sides yields that our x% over 100% equal to 4 over 80. Okay, we can write it in this way because of the inverse and reciprocal terms right here. Okay, let's find our x. How can we find it? Of course, x equal to, we can write it right here, a fraction bar real quick. So we will have right here 80 goes in our denominator, and right here 100 times 4 goes in our numerator. So 100 times 4. As a result, real quick solving, take a look. 4 and 80 we can easily cancel because we're dividing it by 4 right here. So 1, and right here 80 dividing by 4 equal to 20. And as a result, take a look, 100 over 20 equal to 5. So from here x equal to 5%. This is step-by-step explanation, and therefore 4 is 5% of 80. So this is our answer, and if you're talking about an option, this is option A. This is 5%. So I hope you understand this explanation. I try to solve this step by step. Just want you to understand this solution, and I hope you understand these types of question. So if it's not hard to you, please leave a like if you understand, if you enjoy it. It's really important, and it helps me a lot, and it's very kind from you to support me with this question. So thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.